Alright guys, I'm just doing a voiceover to this particular video that I recorded way back in August. It was for the Edifier TWS1 PRO 2 earphones. I should have completed this a very long time ago. Unfortunately, I've injured my back, so I've been off completely doing any type of reviews. I'm just trying to recover, and hopefully fingers crossed, hope to be back after the new year. So yeah, let's just get into this video that I edited this week, and just to showcase what we recorded way back then. For the past couple of years on the Gogetyours review channel, we have hosted and helped launch quite a few Edifier earphone and headphone products. And well, we are back with the brand new Edifier TWS1 PRO 2 Earbuds. Let's just take them out for you guys to take a closer look. And yes, they do come in 3 different colour tones: white, light blue, and the black versions that we have here today. I was mentioning, yes, we recorded this back in August, and since then we've used these earphones quite a bit. We've used it for work, and in the summertime, in around about the end of August, we did a few DIY projects, and as you can see, placing this charge case in our pocket did have a few reactions. So yeah, coins and keys did scratch up the case, but it's still intact all this time. The earphones, by the way, still gleaming, still looking rather nice. And yeah, back to the review. Now, these Pro 2s, they might initially look a bit bulky once you do indeed take them out of the charge case. But to be honest, once you rotate the earbuds around, as you can see here, you can see how precisely and how ergonomically shaped they are. They're not only moulded to sit perfectly within your ear canals, but they will also stay locked in place. Not only good for activities such as doing some DIY, but good for working out and even using within your workplace. So in regards to the fitment, you do also get some real good passive noise isolation. They do also have IPX4 dustproof and waterproof protection. If you look to the charge case, you can see the Edifier brand, which is embedded on the unit, is a real compact size. We've had it placed in our pocket most of the time when at work, and I've hardly even noticed it's there. Okay, I'm a bit skeptical about glossy black cases, but as I've been bashing this about, again I have been using these earphones for over 4 weeks, and like any normal charge case it will indeed be bashed about. But nevertheless, it all depends on your lifestyle really. That glossy design does leave it with a somewhat premium look. It has a magnetically sealed lid, a Type-C charge cable is supplied within the package, and when it's plugged into that Type-C charge port on the charge case, it will take approximately 1 hour 42 minutes to fully charge it from flat. So in regards to the charge module again, it will provide the earphones with almost 4 full recharges on the go, but the most important thing with this charge case is that pairing button sits to the right hand side. Now this charge case does have dedicated pairing, so when it is paired to your mobile phone, by simply opening up the charge case, tapping that pairing button a couple of times, it will go into pairing mode indicated by that LED flashing light to the front. Simply select Edifier TWS1 PRO 2 from the Bluetooth device list, and once it is connected, if you do wish to connect these earphones to a different gadget, you will have to go through the process once again. But one thing that is good is with that Bluetooth connection, we didn't have any type of disconnection issues whatsoever, thanks to that Bluetooth 5.3 chip that's built in. Yes, it has the latest Bluetooth chip, yeah. Now, even though we've talked about comfort, in regards to custom fit, we are supplied with 3 extra sets of silicone ear tips, small, medium and large. And we do get this very tiny little multi-language user manual too, so you can basically quickly read it to learn all of the touch control features. But ultimately, when it comes to music quality, I've got to be completely honest. Again, we have been using these Edifier TWS1 PRO 2s for a vast amount of time now, and well, we are still quite stunned at how well balanced the audio is. Obviously, I personally do love hip hop, and let me just tell you guys, the bass is real smooth, real impactful surging bass that never overpowers all of the other tones, making you feel really energetic when your favourite tune blasts out. They have a very crystal clear mid-range and pristine powerful high tones. You really honestly do feel the energy. And you know what guys, I've actually used these earphones when watching a few movies on my TV, and when it comes to action films, the audio of these earphones really does stand out. A very good immersive audio, and what's quite fantastic is if you tap the touch control on the left earphone twice, you can switch between strong ANC mode, which by the way is probably the best ANC mode I've ever tested when it comes to earphones. It almost completely blanks out the outside world.
These are brilliant. ANC, top notch.
Honestly guys, these Edifier earphones are a beast when it comes to ANC mode. Now if the ANC mode isn't for you, you can turn that mode off. And you do also have a transparent mode. So if you're listening to music walking in the streets and you want to be safe when crossing roads, you know, listening out to traffic light signals, or in fact, if you're in your home and you want to listen out for the fire alarm going off, it's good to keep yourself safe, yes, and that transparent mode is exactly for that type of particular situation. Not only that, when the ANC mode is on, the actual music quality, in all honesty, it's actually pretty much improved. The audio not only becomes a bit louder when that ANC mode is on, but it also stays very, very clear. By the way, if you download the Edifier app, you will not only be provided with a real-time earphone power display, but you will also have access to the custom equalizer and touch feature controls. But in regards to the basic controls that these earphones come with, obviously you get the ANC modes, activated by pressing the left earphone twice, so you can simply toggle through them. You have play, pause, call answering. Unfortunately, only forward track selections. Nope, we don't get a previous track selection option. You will have to select that yourself using the Edifier app. But we do also have a game mode too. That is to provide lower latency levels when smashing out a few games on your mobile device. Yes. But yeah, the touch controls are very simple to use, and I would advise guys that even though the touch controls are not the best to remember, once you use them for the first 2 weeks, you will honestly get so used to them where it becomes second nature. Now, you might be thinking, no, there's no volume control, and yeah, it is a bit of a down point when it does come to the touch controls, but again, once I got used to them, I found that I didn't really need them. Most of the time, my volume level is indeed set to the max volume level anyway, and for the last time, if you go to that Edifier app, you can set all of the touch features to suit your needs. The microphone quality, I would say that the mics in these earphones are pretty standard. They do portray a good voice pickup. As you can tell, my voice is quite clear just now, with no latency issues whatsoever, so that's a good point. But when making those mobile phone calls, obviously the microphone quality just drop a little, but don't get me wrong, they're not too bad compared to other earphones on the market. The person on the opposite end of the call heard my voice very clearly, and there doesn't seem to be any type of muffling either. So yes, good microphones when it comes to the Edifier earphones. I've got to be 100% honest with you guys. These earphones are probably my #1 choice in the past couple of months to actually go for. When we look at the battery life with the ANC mode off, you will get 3 hours 44 minutes using 100% volume consistently, and with the ANC mode on, within its highest ANC mode, you will obviously get a lower usage time with an average time of 2 hours 50 minutes. Now to give them a boost, you can simply place them in a charge case for 10 minutes and you would then get an extra 37 minutes music playback time. Again, as mentioned, the charge case will charge the earphones just under 4 times, and it will take only 1 hour 48 minutes to recharge them from that said case. In addition, the Edifier Pro 2s also are equipped with wearing detection technology. So when the earphones are indeed took out of your ears, music will stop playing, so to reserve some of the battery life. And what else have I forgot to mention? Oh yeah, the voice notifications. So when you switch between some of the ANC modes, or if you want to turn that gaming mode on or off, I must say that built-in voice is very classy. Oh. Which leaves the lingering memory of the TWS1 PRO 2s with a premium feeling. I personally do love these earphones, and I've not really got much to grumble about. The only thing I would say is that the charge case doesn't have wireless charging capabilities, but you know what, I can actually live without that option. Today, we are going to rate these Edifier earphones a big fat 9 out of 10, yes, 9 out of 10, for some good quality, good priced earphones. And what I'm going to do guys, is I'm going to leave a link in the video description down below for you to check them out for yourself. But one thing I really want to ask you guys is please smash a like on this video and share wherever possible. All the support is very much needed. Not only that, please subscribe just now, will you? Because if you do, if you click the bell notification option, you'll stay updated on our very next uploads. Now it's been a while since putting out a few of our videos, but we hope to be back up and running real soon with some more fantastic tech reviews. But in the meantime, check out some of our old ones just there showing on screen. Did I say screen or screen? Yeah, on screen. This one, click it. Come on. Oh, it's not for you. Alright, what about this one then? Yeah? Oh, you're gonna click it in a sec? Nice. Oh well, I hope to see you guys in our very next video then. Peace!